Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start freelancing with Aquent, full guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with Aquent as a platform for freelancers. Visit their official website to explore available resources and job listings. Create an account by providing the necessary personal and professional information. After registration, complete your profile with details about your skills and experience. Add a portfolio showcasing your previous work and projects to attract potential clients. Research the types of freelance jobs offered by Aquent that align with your expertise. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve through freelancing. Consider the industries that interest you and the type of clients you wish to work with. Engage with the Aquent community through forums or online events to network with other freelancers. Prepare to set your rates based on market research and your skills. Identify your ideal clients and the services you plan to offer. Once you've defined your niche, start applying for projects that match your criteria. Stay organized by keeping track of your applications and, when you land a job, clarify expectations with the client to ensure alignment. Deliver high-quality work on time to build your reputation. Request feedback from clients after project completion to improve future applications. Continue to update your portfolio with new work and testimonials from satisfied clients. Stay informed about industry trends to remain competitive in your freelance journey. Invest time in marketing your services through social media or your personal website. Regularly assess your freelance strategy and make adjustments based on what you learn. With persistence and dedication, you can establish a successful freelancing career with Aquent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.